Hello all, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is matrices. Next one, we'll go through the next example. So here we'll try to find the relationship amongst the first column itself, that is 8, 3 and 12. So if we find the product of 8 and 3, that is 24. When you divide it by 2, we get the quotient as 12, which is the third entry here in this matrix 12. So if we go by the same logic, 18 into 4 divided by 2 gives us 72 by 2, which is again 36, and yes, this relationship we need to apply for the third column as well, that is 15 into 6 divided by 2, that is 19 by 2 gives us the quotient of 45, and we can find 45 in option D. So option D, 45 is the right answer. Let us check the next example and try to find the relationship amongst the same. So if you check the first row entry, we have the numbers as 5, 10 and 25. So what is the relationship between them? So if we multiply 5 with the second number, that is 10, we get the answer as 50. But if we divide 50 by 2, the answer is 25, which is the third entry in this matrix, that is 25. So here also, if we do 6 into 5 divided by 2, that is 30 divided by 2, we get the answer as 15. And yes, so applying the same logic for the third row as well, 7 into 4 divided by 2, that is 28 divided by 2 gives us the quotient of 14, and we can find 14 in the option C, and that is our right answer for this question. Going ahead with the 20th question, the next question, we have the missing number in the third row and second column. So let us try to find a relationship amongst the first row itself. We have the entries as 2, 10 and 18. So if we see 2 into 4, that is 8. When you add it with 10, we get the number as 18, that is the third row entry. Again, we'll try to apply the same logic for the second row entry as well. That is 4 into 4, that is 16. When you add it with 8, we get the sum of 24, which is the entry. So let us apply the same rule for the third row entry as well, that is 6 into 4 plus the missing number gives us the sum of 29. So we know 6 into 4 is 24, 24 plus the missing number is 29, and to find the missing number we just have to subtract 24 from 29, that is 29 minus 24, 5 is the missing number in this case, and we have 5 in option D. Let's check the next example. Here also we have the missing number in the same position. Let us try to find the relationship here in terms of first column. We have the entries as 1, 7 and 50. If we try to find the square of it, 1 square is 1, 7 square is 49. When you sum those up, we get the answer as 50, and we can find it here. So instead of directly jumping into second column, if you're confident enough, you can go ahead. We can establish this relationship by cross-verifying it with the third column entries, that is 5 square plus 11 square should give us 146, and it does give us 146 when we do the maths. This 25 plus 121 is 146. So let us apply the same rule for the second row entry as well, that is 3 square plus 9 square. 9 plus 81, 90 is the answer that we get, and we have 90 in option D, so 90 is definitely the right answer. The next question, we have the missing number in the last entry, that is third row, third column, we have the missing number. So let us try to find the relationship in the first row itself. We have the entries as 7, 13 and 174. So if we see how we can deduce this, we can see that 7 cube minus the second row entry square, that is 13 square, it gives us the third row entry 174. So see, 7 cube is 343. When you subtract it by the square of 13, that is 169, we get the answer as 174. So the second row entry, again if we see, 9 cube minus 25 square should give us 104, and 9 cube is 729. When you subtract 625 from it, we get the answer as 104. So going by the same logic, 11 cube minus 30 square should give us the correct answer for the missing number. So 11 cube minus 30 square, that is 1331 minus 900. 431 is the right option or the missing number, and we can find 431 in option C. Hope you understood this topic. If you have any questions, drop a comment in the comment box. To practice more questions on the same topic, you can find the quiz link in episode 7. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.